Good morning. This week we're going to be doing something extra special. This week we're going to be creating a surprise for our moms. Mother's Day this year is going to be celebrated on Sunday, May 10th, which is this Sunday. Go ahead and grab the packet shown if you haven't already, and I'm going to tell you what we're going to do today to get started. Remember, Mother's Day is a special day to show our moms just how much we care about them and let them know how special they really are. Today you're going to do the page that's shown on the screen now. In each of the little bubbles, you're going to write a word or an adjective that describes your mom. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. I've got some examples of some adjectives that I would use to describe my mom. For example, I could use the word beautiful, kind, caring, loving, special, and helpful. Remember, these are just examples of words that I would use to describe my mom. I would like for you to think of different words or adjectives that you would use to describe your mom. We're just writing words in the bubbles and not complete sentences today. I would love for you to try to do it by yourself without your mom, so on Sunday you have a special surprise for her that she hasn't seen yet. Go ahead and get started now.